Hello friends, welcome to Be Mathematician. In this video, we are going to solve an amazing exponential equation, that is if 64 raised to x is equal to under root of 16 into root 8, then we have to find x is equal to how much. Come to the solution. First, let's simplify this 64. So, we'll use ladder division method. 64 is divisible by 2. So, it is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Means we have 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Therefore, our equation will become 2 raised to 6 whole raised to x is equal to RHS as it is, that is root of 16 into root 8. Now here we apply power of power rule. So this will become 2 raised to 6x is equal to under root of 16 into root 8. To remove this square root, let's do squaring on both the sides. So we get 2 raised to 6x whole square is equal to, this will be root of 16 into root 8 whole square. So this square root gets cancelled. And here we apply again power of power rule. We'll get 2 raised to 12x is equal to 16 into root 8. Also we know 16 is 2 raised to power 4. So equation will become 2 raised to 12x is equal to 2 raised to 4 into root 8. To remove this square root, again we'll do squaring on both the sides. We get 2 raised to 12x the whole square is equal to 2 raised to 4 into root 8 the whole square. Again we'll apply power of power rule. So this will be 2 raised to 24x is equal to 2 raised to 4 into root 8 whole square. Here are two numbers in multiplication. So we apply power of product rule. Therefore equation will be 2 raised to 24x is equal to 2 raised to 4 whole square into, it will be root 8 square. Again root and square root gets cancelled. So remaining will be 2 raised to 24x is equal to, it will be 2 raised to 8 into 8. And we know 8 is 2 cube. So it will be 2 raised to 8 into 2 cube. As we see, both the numbers have same bases and they are in multiplication. So we'll add the exponents using product rule. We get 2 raised to 24x is equal to 2 raised to 8 plus 3. That will be equal to 2 raised to 11. So our equation will be 2 raised to 24x is equal to 2 raised to 11. Now bases on both the sides are equal. By using 1-to-1 property of exponential equation, we can directly equate our exponents. So 24x is equal to 11 means x is equal to 11 by 24. So this is our final answer. Let's check whether the answer which we got x is equal to 11 by 24 is correct or not. So first we'll take LHS, that is 64 raised to x. It will become 64 raised to 11 by 24. And we know 64 is 2 raised to 6. So it will be 6 into 11 by 24. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So we get our LHS as 2 raised to 11 by 4. Now come to RHS. Here we have RHS is equal to under root of 16 root 8. That can be written as under root of 16 is 2 raised to 4 and 8 is 2 cube. So it will become root of 2 cube. And also we know square root means power is half. Therefore it will be equal to 2 raised to 4 into square root of 2 cube whole raised to half. That is 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3 by 2 whole raised to half. By using product rule, this will become 2 raised to 4 plus 3 by 2 whole raised to half. By taking LCM of exponents, we get 2 raised to, it will be 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 2 whole raised to half. And by power of power rule, this will become 2 raised to 11 by 4, which is equal to our LHS. Means we got LHS is equal to RHS for x is equal to 11 by 4. Hence, we can say that x is equal to 11 by 24 is correct. Hope you liked my explanation for this problem. Let's write our final answer. We got x is equal to 11 by 24. Comment if you have any suggestion regarding this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.